Yeah, see you. Good evening, children. Good evening, online students.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, children. So here in my classroom, I have some issue with the projector. So for you online students, you will not feel any difference. You will be able to see my screen and the class will be as usual for you. But since my projector is like there's some trouble with my projector, I'll be reading out the question and the answers for the students here in the class. So don't get confused. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
For the
ma'am.
students here in the classroom, for the offline students here in the classroom, since my projector has to be fixed, they will not be able to see the answer on the board, the question or the answer on the board. So I will be reading out the question as well as the answer for them to write. So you don't get confused. Online students don't get confused. All right?
Ma'am, your audio is not clear.
No, I think I was audible. Somebody answered, no?
No, ma'am. Repeat it twice.
You're audible, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children, let's continue with the word problems. Write down this question, online students. Right. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 14. A two-digit number. We finished that. The others have not finished, no? Okay. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 14. All right. Okay. If 45 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Got the question? Yeah, write down, children. Let the units digit. Online students, please go through the answer and start working. Let the units digit be X. Let the tens digit be Y. Original number is equal to 10Y plus X. Original number is equal to 10Y plus X. Next line, when the digits are interchanged, below that, the units digit is equal to Y. The units digit is equal to Y. Tens digit is equal to X. New number is equal to 10x plus y. New number is equal to 10x plus y. So now we have made the basic assumptions. Okay. The assumption for the digits, original number and the new number. Now let's look at the conditions. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 14. Okay, write down. Product of the digits is equal to 14. Product of the digits is equal to 14. Below that, x into y is equal to 14. Correct? Product of the digits meaning the units digit into the tens digit is equal to 14. Product of the digits means units digit into the tens digit is equal to 14. So it will be x into y is equal to 14. Okay, that is one equation. You just have that xy is equal to 14. Correct? Next, what is given? If 45 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. So that means, write down, original number plus 45 is equal to new number. Original number plus 45 is equal to new number. That's the meaning. If 45 is added to the number, to the original number, it becomes the new number. The digits interchange their places, meaning it becomes the new number. So original number, if you add 45 to the original number, so original number plus 45 will give you what? Will give you the new number because it's given the digits interchange their places. So original number plus 45 is equal to new number. Write down. Original number plus 45 is equal to new number. Below that, write what is the original number? 10y plus x plus 45 is equal to the new number, that is equal to 10x plus y. Now make the equation. Tell me what you get online. What do you get from this? Take x and y to one side and the number on the other side and tell me the equation.
Yeah. 10y plus x minus 10x minus y is equal to 45.
Yes, thank you, Danya. Online students, since the answer is visible on the screen, you can just help yourself. Today, I'm just helping out the offline students with writing the answer. Okay. Online students, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. The answer is visible for online students, but not for the offline students. Yeah. Yes, children, what's the equation, offline students? Sorry. Y minus x is equal to? No, some sign error. Y minus x is equal to not 5, minus 5. Yeah, moreover, I want you to tell me x first and then y. Don't say y minus x. Tell me x first and then y and then is equal to the number. Yes, Florentina, what's the equation? That's correct, darling. Simplify and tell me. Simplify and tell me. X minus y is equal to? Very good. X minus y is equal to 5. Wait, I'll tell you what next. Wait, you have to wait for some time because you've already finished. Did you get x minus y is equal to 5? 5. What is the previous one you got? The equation before that, what do you have? No, darling, before that, x minus y is equal to 5. Just before that, what do you have? Oh, okay. Did you get minus 9x plus 9y is equal to minus 45? 9 common. Look at her book. Okay, I'll come and see. Yeah. Okay, x minus y is equal to 5. Correct. Now use it. Florentina, are you getting x minus y is equal to 5? No, did you get minus 9x plus 9y is equal to minus 45? Then you should divide by, you can take out minus 9 common, or you can divide by 9 throughout, something like that. Okay, so, okay, do you have minus 9x plus 9y is equal to minus 45? Yeah, now take out, did you take out minus 9 common? Then what did you get? X minus y is equal to 5. You're sure you got that? Yeah. Next, write the equation. I'll come and see your book. Don't worry, I'll come and see. Next, write the identity, children. X plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square is equal to 4xy. X plus y the whole square minus x minus y the whole square is equal to 4xy. You can refer it there in the book, in your book. Now substitute and find the equation x plus y, children. Substitute and find x plus y. It's not the finest like everybody. Okay. So what did you get, Ritika? X plus y the whole square is equal to what? 61 illa. 56 plus 25 will, yeah. 81. 5 square. Florentina? X plus y the whole square is equal to 81. So x plus y is equal to plus or minus 9? No. Huh? Plus or minus 9. But minus 9 is not possible because what are x and y? The digits. X and y are the digits. Listen, class, listen to me. X plus y the whole square is equal to 81. So that means x plus y is equal to plus 9 or minus 9. Now, if x plus y is equal to minus 9, that means the sum of the digits is minus 9. That's not possible. The sum of the digits cannot be negative. Take any number. Take any number. When you add the digits, will you get a negative answer? Take any number. Even if it's a negative number, the digits are not negative. Even if you take a negative number, minus 72, 7 is not negative 72. Even if you take minus 72, 7 is not negative there. The digits are 7 and 2 only. The digits are not minus 7 and 2. Okay. So the sum of the digits cannot be negative. So x plus y is equal to minus 9 is not possible. For this situation, it's not possible. So you must take only x plus y is equal to 9, positive 9. You must write x plus y is equal to plus or minus 9. Then you must write x plus y is equal to minus 9 is not possible because the sum of the digits cannot be negative. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 9. And you must solve the two equations and find the values of x and y. Do it. Already have one equation. Correct? X minus y is equal to 5, we already have. Solve that with x plus y is equal to 9. Madhumita, you said I'm not audible. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am. I rejoined the meeting and now it's fine.
Very good, very good. Online students, please ask me if you have any doubt.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, that x plus y cannot be minus 9. It's a bit confusing, ma'am. Can you please explain again?
Yeah. Sure. Yes. Now take any number. Take any number, like supposing 65. What is the sum of the digits? 6 plus 5, 11. Now, even if you take the number minus 65, the digit 6 is not negative. The number is negative. The digits are 6 and 5. The number is negative, but the digits are 6 and 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11, which means the sum of the digits cannot be negative. When you add the digits, you cannot get a negative answer. So x plus y, what is x? X is the units digit. What is y? The tens digit. So x plus y is the sum of the digits. And that cannot be negative. You cannot get a negative answer for that. It has to be positive. It will always be positive. Am I clear, Tanishka?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear.
When you see x is the units digit, y is the tens digit. X is the units digit, y is the tens digit. When you add the digits, you cannot get a negative answer. -9 you cannot get. So this is not possible. So we take only x plus y is equal to 9. And we solve this equation and this equation to find the values of x and y and hence the number. All right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's a second equation. X plus y is equal to 9. It's a second equation. That's a first equation. This is one equation. From the base. It's not known. Okay, mine is going, it's mine is funny. It's minus going up. You see, explain one thing. Other side, plus 5 Finish this one, children, online students?
Completed.
Online
Yes,
students
ma'am.
completed this one? All right. Any questions? All right. Write the next question. Yeah, take down the next question, online students. Write down, children. A two-digit number. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. And twice the product of its digits. Find the number. Answer the question. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. Find the number. Got it? Online students, start working. On the online students, let the ones digit be x. Let the tens digit be 1. Okay, original number 10 plus x. New number 10x plus x. Will be because it will be reversed like this. You will tens x will come here, y will go to 10x plus y. So what is given? A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. A two-digit number, that means start with this. This is the two-digit number. This is the two-digit number is. This is the two-digit number. Two-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. 4 times the sum of the digits. Correct? Correct? Yeah. Then what is given? And twice the product of its digits. That means again this is the two-digit number only. Same again the two-digit number is twice the product of its digits. It's a compound sentence, that's all. Like, if you say, some building A is a tall building. Building A is a beautiful building. So putting together, building A is a tall and beautiful building. So it's both tall is also put building A, beautiful is also put building A. Same thing here. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. It's all about the two-digit number. So you can read it like this. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. Then again, a two-digit number is twice the product of its digits. Two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. Again, a two-digit number is twice the product of its digits. So see, a two-digit number is 4 times the sum of the digits. Again, the two-digit number is twice the product of the digits. These are the two equations. Yeah. So from the first one, did you get x is equal to 2y? Or x is equal to 2y you got? What have you taken? You have taken the units digit as? Oh, okay. அப்போ மாறி வந்திருக்கும். Y is equal to 2x வந்திருக்கும். ஆமா. Okay, but I'll just tell you how to work. Then from the second one, what did you get? Okay. Okay. Now, offline students, simplify the first equation and tell me what you're getting. Then I can help you. Okay, now online students, please listen. So it's a compound sentence. Two things are given here. See here, how do we read this? A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits. Again, a two-digit number is twice the product of its digits. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits and twice the product of its digits. That means a two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digits, and again a two-digit number is twice the product of the digits. So that is what you can see here. I've written it here. Two-digit number is equal to 4 times the sum of its digits. Again, the same two-digit number is twice the product of its digits. Online students, if you have any questions, please ask me. Offline students, yeah, what are you getting when you simplify the first one? X minus 2y is equal to 0. Now take up the second one and simplify that. Xy is equal to? Let me just finish with the online students and come back to. So in the second equation, children, you can see here, we have 10y plus x is equal to 2xy. So since here I have x is equal to 2y, you know, I have x is equal to 2y. So I've replaced, substitute method, x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y using 1. So then I got a quadratic equation. I find y and then find x. First equation. Yeah, so simplify the first equation. So we have 10y plus x is equal to 4x plus 4y. So when you transpose, we get minus 4x plus x minus 4y plus 10y is equal to 0. So minus 3x plus 6y is equal to 0. Divided by minus 3 or 3 to 4. You divide by 3, you get minus x plus 2y is equal to divided by 3. So how to go? Minus 3x by 3 plus 6y by 3 is equal to 0 by 3. So it will be minus x plus 2y is equal to 0. Change the signs for x minus 2y is equal to 0. Changing the signs to go. Minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, zeros or not. This is what we get from simplifying the first one. Here we get 10y plus x is equal to 2xy. 2xy. So what see what I do is I know this is x is equal to 2y. Okay, on this one. And in the second equation, wherever there is x, I use 2y. So 10y plus x is 2y from the first one. See from here, x is equal to 2y. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into x is 2y into y. What do you get? 12y, correct? You get 12y is equal to 4y square, correct? 12y is equal to 4y square. Again, divide by 3. So you get divide by 3 on both sides. What do you get? 4y is equal to, oh, not 3, 4. So you get 3y is equal to y square. Now bring everything to one side. So look at y square minus 3y is equal to 0. Y square minus 3y is equal to 0. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Y cannot be 0. Y is the 10th digit. If the 10th digit is 0, then it cannot be the same. It is a two-digit number. That's not a two-digit number. The 10th digit is 0. The 10th digit is 0. That's not a two-digit number. Correct? So the 10th digit, the 1st digit can be 0. 10th digit cannot be 0 for a two-digit number. So we are getting y0. Y0 is not possible because y is the 10th digit. And the 10th digit cannot be 0 because then it cannot be a two-digit number. So y is equal to 0 is not possible. Then y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3. Now once you get y is equal to 3, what is x? X is equal to 2y. X is 2y. So x is equal to 2 into 3, 6. X is equal to 6. Then you find the number. 10 plus 6, you get the number. All right. So online students, this minus 3 comes for division here to the other side. This minus 3 on the other side for division. So 0 by minus 3 becomes 0. See, actually, you will not know that you have to write x minus x is equal to 2y. So probably you would have stopped here. Okay, we'll stop here. Then when you work, after working this, you will come back here and write x is equal to 2y. Maybe you stopped here. Okay. Then you solve the second equation. The second equation is like 10y plus x is equal to 2xy. So again, you're not getting a linear equation in two variables x and y. The first one is linear, x minus 2y is equal to 0. The second one is like 10y plus x is equal to 2xy. You're not getting a linear equation in two variables x and y. The second equation is this one, 10y plus x is equal to 2xy. So you can use the substitution method here. For that, what to do? You come back to the first equation. X minus 2y is equal to 0. You write x is equal to 2y. X is equal to 2y. So what you do? Wherever there is x here, x, replace that with 2y because x is equal to 2y. So here, wherever there is x, use 2y. Use 2y. So you can see here, x is 2y. X is 2y. Using 1. So that way you get 12y is equal to 4y square. Then you can see how I've solved it. So y is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. 0 is not possible because the 10th digit cannot be 0. It's a two-digit number. In a two-digit number, if the 10th digit is 0, then it's not a two-digit number. Like 05 is not a two-digit number. Then in that case, 005 will become a three-digit number. So the 10th digit cannot be 0. The 10th digit cannot be 0 because it's a 2-digit number. So y is equal to 0 is not possible because y is the 10th digit and the 10th digit cannot be 0. So y is 3. If y is 3, then x is equal to 6. And so the number is 36. If you got 36. Should I help you, Florentina? You got it? Okay. Why y cannot be 0, Florentina? It is a why 50 is a 2-digit number. Yeah, the digit in the 10th place cannot be 0 because then it will not be a 2-digit number. Online children, please cooperate. Any questions?
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Write on the next question. Write on, children. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. Comma. If 2 is added to, if 2 is added to, 2 is added to TO2, both of its numerator and denominator. Both of its numerator and denominator. Full stop. If 3 is added, full stop. If 3 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, if 3 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, then it becomes 2 by 5. Then it becomes 2 by 5. Find the full stop. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Online students, I'll come back to you. I'll explain here and come back to you. Please start working using the slide. What's the first case? When 2 is added to both its numerator and denominator. So see, the fraction is x by y. The fraction is x by y. When 2 is added to both its numerator and denominator, what does it become? It becomes 1 by 3. It becomes 1 by 3. Is this correct? Yeah, cross multiply, get the equation, and that will give you the first equation. What's the second one? If Tell me again.
Both the numerator and denominator is added to 3.
It's added to 3. If 3 is added to 4.
3 is added to both of its numerator and the denominator, then it becomes 2 by
2.5. So see here. So x5 by subtraction. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 2 by 5. That's all. So you get 2 equations, solve and get the fraction. Good. Get the first equation first, finish case one, then try this one. Yes, Shashank, what's your equation? First equation. What is your first equation? X minus? No. I don't want fractions. Plus multiply, take the. You cannot get something like that. No, it's very simple. Yeah, Ritika, what's your equation? First equation? Yeah, 3x minus y is equal to minus 4. Yeah. Florentina? Correct. You got the second one also? What's your equation? Very good. Yeah. Solve and tell me the values of x and y. What is the fraction? Fraction is minus. 15 minus 6. Online students? I did not explain this. Is it self-explanatory?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions? Okay. So the fraction is x by y. The fraction is x by y. It's given as if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. If 2 is added like this to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 1 by 3. It becomes 1 by 3. Then if 3 is added, so x by y is the fraction. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 2 by 5. That means it's equal to 2 by 5. So we just have to cross multiply, get the two equations, solve, find x and y, and hence find the fraction. Done writing, all of you? Yeah, kindly respond, children. Finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll let you do. Got 1 by 7? Got 1 by 7? You want help? Did we get x1, y7? Fraction is 1 by 7. I'll come and check later. Krishna. Okay. I'll help you, Raja. I'll come. Yes, children, this is a test. Do this. I'll read the question for you. Class, write on the question. This is a test. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction, the sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is 3 less than twice the denominator. Twice the denominator. Full stop. If each of the numerator and denominator twice the denominator. Full stop. We must use short forms. NR is numerator, DR is denominator. You should not every time write fully numerator, denominator. No, NR. I wrote no earlier. There it is on the board. NR, DR. Only in the exam you should write the spelling fully. Only in exams and school teacher, if she's very strict, yes, you should write. Otherwise, you should, for practice, you should just use NR, DR. That's all. So is what is it? Is 3 less than twice the denominator, full stop. If each of the numerator and denominator, if each of the NR and DR is decreased by 1, if each of the NR and DR, numerator and denominator is decreased by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. The fraction becomes 1 by 2. Full stop. Find the fraction. Find the fraction.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah. Who's who?
getting X
Yes.
4 and Y as 7.
So what was the fraction? Find the fraction.
4 by 7.
4 by 7. Huh? Let me see. Oh, perfect. Very good. Rajat is the first one to get the correct answer. Rajat, very good. 4 by 7. Anybody else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyone else? Four by 7. Very good. Next year, Sashank has got the correct answer. 4 by 7. Very good. Florentina has also got the correct answer. 4 by 7 here. Read out your first equation, Florentina. No, read out your first equation. X minus y is equal to minus 6. 3. You got this. X minus y is equal to minus. And what's your second equation? 2x minus y is equal to 1. Very good. Yeah, I think it's time to see the answer. Sorry. X minus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, I'll just finish with the online students and come to you. Online students, those who want the explanation, please listen. What is given? See here, the sum of the numerator and the denominator, that means NR plus DR, is meaning equal to 3 less than. See here, the sum of the numerator and denominator is 3 less than something. 3 less than what? 3 less than twice the denominator. So 2 times the denominator. Please construct the equation in words and then you can make it a mathematical equation. Numerator plus denominator is 3 less than twice the denominator. 3 less than, so minus 3. 3 less than twice the denominator. 2 times DR. See, you can see here, I've written that. Then the other equation is simple. If each of the numerator and denominator is decreased by 1, it becomes 1 by 2. The sum of the numerator and the denominator. The sum of the numerator and denominator is 3 less than twice the denominator. You first construct the equation in words like this. Then you can convert that to a mathematical equation. The sum of the numerator and denominator. So this is the sum of the numerator and denominator. Is 3 less than. 3 less than means less than something will come here. 3 less than something, then something will come first. So 3 less than what? Twice the denominator. Now substitute x plus y is equal to 2y minus 3. The other equation is very easy. If 1 is subtracted, right? X by y is the fraction. If you subtract 1 from both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Last one. Let's go from here one equation solve. That's it. 4 by 7. Close to 4 by 7. No, 4 by 7. Solve it. And you follow this. This one you have to solve. This one you want to plus first video, I'm thinking first video about the animation that the one of the ways. Any doubts, children? Shall we go to the next one? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this also you can write yourself. Test. Write on the question. In a given fraction, comma, if the numerator is multiplied by 2 and the denominator is reduced by 5, we get 6 by 5. Full stop. But if the numerator of the given fraction is increased by 8, but if the numerator of the given fraction is increased by 8 and the denominator is doubled, we get 2 by 5. We get 2 by 5. Find the fraction. Find the fraction. Yeah, I'll repeat it. Yes, Shashank. And the denominator is doubled. We get 2 by 5. Find the fraction. Yes, try this, children.
Reduced by 5.
6 by 5. We get 6 by 5. Online students, use the emoji, raise your hand. Rajat, Madhumita, Tanishka, Danya, Rakshita, Dileepan, Raghavi, Sriranjan. Sriranjan, are you there?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, no, I was asking about Sriranjan. Okay, fine, children. Please continue.
Ma'am, can I announce my answer?
Yeah, what's the fraction?
2 by 5, ma'am.
By 5. No. And 2 by 5 cannot be the fraction also because in the question itself we have 2 by 5, right? That itself cannot be the fraction. We cannot get 6 by 5 or 2 by 5 as the fraction.
Yes, ma'am. I'll recheck my answer.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm getting 12 by 25.
Perfect.
Ma'am, I checked my answer and I'm getting the same answer, ma'am.
Okay, what are your equations?
Ma'am, me?
Yeah, Madhumita, first equation.
5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15. And the second one is...
No, not the second one. No. I'll ask Rakshita the second one. 5x minus the first equation, Madhumita, 5x minus.
3y is equal to minus 15.
Yeah, Rakshita, second equation.
Yes, ma'am. 5x minus 4y
Yeah.
is equal to minus 40.
Minus
40.
40. Correct. 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15. Raja? No? You're still working on it?
Got the answer.
Yeah. And the second equation here, 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Okay. What about Florentina? You're working on it still? Okay. Continue. Yeah, somebody else shared the same answer, no? Who's that?
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Tanishka, is it?
Yes,
Madhumita. Okay, Tanishka.
Tanishka, ma'am.
Very good, very good. All right, children, let's discuss the equations. Why, Prajit? Any trouble?
No, ma'am, I'm close to finding the value of x, ma'am.
Okay, what about
Find the
Dileepan?
value of...
Okay. Okay, fine. What about the others? Raghavi, Dileepan?
I just made a mistake in the second equation.
Okay.
And I got the answers 12 by 25, ma'am.
Very good. That's the right answer. Very good. Correct. What's the question? The new, so we know x by y is a fraction. In the first equation, if the numerator is multiplied by 2 and the denominator is reduced by 5, we get 6 by 5. Is this correct? If the numerator is multiplied by 2, that means 2x, and the denominator y is reduced by 5, we get, meaning the new fraction is 6 by 4. So from this we get one equation, and then if the numerator of the fraction is increased by 8, this is the numerator. X is the numerator, not 2x. X is the numerator. If it increased by 8 and the denominator is doubled, meaning 2y, the denominator is doubled, we get 2 by 4. We get 2 by 4. So as usual, let the numerator be x, let the denominator be y. Therefore, fraction is equal to x by y. And the answer is 12 by 25 is the answer. X is 12, y is 25, and hence the fraction is 12. Yeah, online students. So let the numerator be x, denominator y, fraction is x by y. If the numerator is multiplied by 2, just a minute. Yeah. If the numerator is multiplied by 2, that means x into 2 or 2x, x into 2 or 2x. And the denominator is reduced by 5. So y minus 5. The fraction becomes 6 by 5. So is equal to 6 by 5. And the second equation, the numerator is x, not 2x. The numerator is x, not 2x. So the numerator is increased by 8, x plus 8. And the denominator is doubled, 2y. The fraction is 2 by 5. Yes. Tell me, on cross multiplying, what did you get? First equation, when you cross multiply, did you get, okay, I'll read out, Raja. 10x is equal to 6y minus 30. You got that? Then 10x minus 6y is equal to minus 30. Then I divided by 2 throughout. So I got 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15. You got that? Then next equation. On cross multiplying, 5x plus 40 is equal to, you forgot to write 40, you wrote 8. Louder.
6 plus
What is the equation? X plus 8 by 2y is equal to 2 by 5, right? எவ்வளவு நிதானமா கொஸ்டின் படிக்கிறேன். இதை விட ஸ்லோவா நான் படிக்க முடியுமா? ஃபுல் ஸ்டாப், கமா எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். அப்படியும் எப்படி தப்பா எழுதலாம்? எங்க என்ன தப்பா எழுதிருக்க? Instead of writing? make a note. The second equation is, make a note of the second equation. 5x minus, 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 40. That's second equation. 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 40. And the fraction is 12 by 25. Yeah, children, write on the next question. Online students, please write on this question. Places A and B are 160 kilometers apart on a highway. Places A, capital A and capital B are 160 kilometers, 160 kilometers apart on a highway. Full stop. One car starts from capital A. One car starts from A and another from B. One car starts from A and another from B. At the same time. At the same time. Okay, full stop. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time, full stop. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. Find the speed of each car. Find the speed of each car. Got it? What I say, places A and B are 160 kilometers apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If they travel in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. If they travel towards each other meaning in the opposite directions, towards each other, they meet in 2 hours. Find the speed of each car. Online students, you'll have to wait for 5 minutes. I'll have to teach the offline students on the board and then come back to you. In case you've learned the situation in school, you can start working. Online students, thank you for waiting. I just finished with the offline students. The online students can start writing. I'll explain. Start writing first. All right, children, those of you who want to, who are seeing the situation for the first time and want to understand, please listen to me. So XY assumption you would have understood. Now, first case is when the two cars travel in the same direction. So we'll assume that the car that starts from A moves in this direction and the car that starts from B also moves in the same direction like this. But it's given that though they go in the same direction, they meet in 8 hours. The two cars, they catch up at some point. All right. So let's assume that the two cars which start from A and B, after 8 hours, we'll say that they meet at C. After traveling for 8 hours, car A travels for 8 hours. Car B also travels for 8 hours. They start at the same time, but from two different places. So one car starts from A, another from B. They go in the same direction like this, and both of them they travel for 8 hours. At the end of 8 hours, they see themselves at the same point C. At the end of 8 hours, they see themselves at the same point C. Both of them are at C. We know that AB is 160 kilometers because the distance between the two places is 160 kilometers. Now, what is the distance covered by car A? That is the car that starts from A in 8 hours because it's moved for 8 hours, right? Car A has moved for 8 hours. What is the distance covered by that car in 8 hours? That's nothing but AC. Using this line segment, it is AC. AC, the line segment AC, because the car starts from A and at the end of 8 hours, it's at C. So AC is the distance covered by car A in 8 hours. AC. And how do you find distance? Speed into time. What is the speed? X. What's the time? 8. So 8x kilometers. Distance, no? So kilometers. Similarly, for car that starts from B. The distance covered by car B in 8 hours is BC. The line segment BC represents the distance covered by the car that starts from B in 8 hours. Again, BC, how do you find the distance BC? Speed into time. Speed is y, time is 8. 8y kilometers. Now, how do we construct the equation? Use the line segment to construct the equation. So from the line segment, it is clear that AB plus BC is equal to AC. Look at the line segment. Line segment AB plus the line segment BC is equal to the line segment AC. So how much is AB? 160 kilometers. Plus BC. BC is 8y. And AC is 8x. So dividing by 8 throughout, you will get 20 plus y is equal to x. And the equation is x minus y is equal to 20. X minus y, yeah, is equal to 20 is the first equation. Please write down, children. Speeds. 50 and 30. Yeah. Okay. No, I don't have the answers, but. You got it? Raju? $50 and $30. Correct, I think. Done writing this online students?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now let's see the second case. The second case. So case 2 is when the two cars travel towards each other or in the opposite directions. When the two cars travel towards each other. That is in the opposite directions. So what happens? This is place A, this is place B. Okay, place A, place B. This distance is 160 kilometers. Now, The car that starts from A, we'll say it moves like this. The car that starts from B moves in the opposite direction like this. They travel towards each other. The two cars travel towards each other. That means in the opposite directions. Then they meet in 2 hours. Huh? Yeah, 2 hours. Then they meet in 2 hours. So somewhere here they will meet at C. So again, distance covered by car A in 2 hours. Why in 2 hours? Because both the cars travel for 2 hours. Then they meet. The distance covered by car A in 2 hours is equal to AC. From A, it reaches the point C. And the car that starts from B, it reaches the point C in 2 hours. So they meet there. At the end of 2 hours, both the cars are at C. Speed into time, x into 2 or 2x kilometers. Again, distance covered by car B in 2 hours is equal to BC. That is again speed into time. BC is a line segment and that represents distance. Line segment can only represent distance. It cannot represent speed or time. Line segment can represent only distance. It cannot represent speed or time. So BC is the distance covered by car B in 2 hours. Now the equation. What do we know from the line segments? AC, not line segments, the line segment here. AC plus BC is equal to AB. How much is AC? 2x. BC, 2y. AB, 160. Dividing by 2, x plus y is equal to 80. So these are the two equations. You need to solve and find the values of x and y. X minus y is equal to 20. So on solving, what do you get? 80. 2x is equal to 100. X is equal to 50. And on substituting, x is 50, you get y is equal to 30. Complete the answer, children. Which one is a test? A similar question test. Complete this fast.
Ma'am, x is 50 and y is 30. I got the same answer.
You can refer that answer. In the answer, refer பண்ணி பண்ணலாம் நீங்க. You don't have to do it. Refer and do it. You have finished writing this one, children? What time? Oh. Finish this one, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Finish writing this, online students? Can we take up the test question? It's time.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so the test question is, you don't write the question now, just take these numbers, that's all. Instead of 160, it is 200 kilometers. And instead of 8 hours, take 4 hours. And instead of 2 hours, take 1 hour. Yeah, do this. Please show all the steps.
Ma'am, we don't have to write the question, right?
No, question, just leave some space. You can write the question later.
Yes.
Now start working the answer. Yeah. This is 200. 200. $125. Very good. Your equations?
X minus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 200.
Very good. Very good. You're right. Yes, Ritika. That's it for today's session. You can leave. Yeah. Auto or your parent? She'll be down. Huh? Very good. Your equations?
What's the X minus y is equal to 3? And second equation is
See you.
X plus y is equal to 3.
Very good. Very good. You can leave. That's it for the class. Does the sisters come for holidays? No holidays for her now? Oh, yeah. That's it. Yeah. 1 year she had to wait, no? How's it going now? Dad or Otto? Good night. Yes, two students here, offline students have got the answer, the correct answer. X is not 70. No. Where is 50 over 10? X is 150 and Y is? No, darling. What are your equations? Y minus X is equal to 50. X plus Y is equal to? That's correct. The first one is wrong. I'll see. Yes, Raja? No, both are wrong.
Ma'am, is
Online
X
students?
and Y 75?
Y 75. What is X?
125.
Perfect. Very good, Prajit. Tell me your equations.
My God, X minus Y is equals 50 and X plus Y is equals 200.
Very good, Prajit. Correct?
Yeah.
That's it for today's class, Prajit. You may leave the call. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Good night. Yeah. Online students, it's time. The equations are, please make a note of the equations, online students. X minus Y is equal to 50. X minus Y is equal to 50. And X plus Y is equal to 200. On solving, you get X is 125 and Y is equal to 75. Please check this. These are the equations and these are the values of X and Y. Please make a note of this. Yeah, just come in and check. All right, online students. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.